Well, we're out here with the old junker again. We've had to cut the turbine shaft. It's a pretty rare sight. You'll see that's the main turbine to compressor coupling. And I'm about to drop this little screw, that screw, down through the compressor so you can all hear the terrible sound you never want to hear when working on turbine engines.